Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 8 Circular Measure Long Question Example 5. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Let me read the question now. In the diagram below, OAB is a sector of a circle with center O of radius 8 cm. It is given that angle AOB is equals to 0.9 radian. The straight line AD is perpendicular to the straight line OC. The straight line AC is perpendicular to the straight line OA and meet OB produced at C. Okay, let me pull this paper up. So the question asks to find the perimeter of the region ADB marked X. So this is the ADB. And the area of the region ABC marked Y. So you need to find this area, guys, in the question B. Alright, I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, now I'm going to discuss how to solve the question A. Okay, let us begin. So the question A, they asked to find the perimeter of the region ADB marked X. So to find the perimeter of the region ADB, so we need to find the length AD, DB, and then the length of the arc AB. So once we get all these three lengths, so we can successfully calculate our perimeter over here. How are we going to do that? Okay, let us take a look over here at the solution. So for step 1, we need to find the length of the arc AB. We are starting to find from the length of the arc first. So which is very obvious because the question already gave us the radius 8 cm and then the angle 0.9 radian, which is OA, and then the OB is the the radius, guys. So we can easily find our length of the arc AB. Okay, so the step 1, find the length of arc AB. So we're going to use the S equals to R theta. So SAB is equals to R theta. The radius will be 8 cm. The theta will be 0.9 radian. So we substitute in the information. So SAB equals to 8 times 0.9. From here you will get your answer 7.2 cm. Okay, we already get our length of the arc AB. And then now we can proceed to the next step, which is find the length of AD. Alright, how are we going to find the length of AD over here, guys? Actually, we can find the length of AD using our trigonometry rule here. Okay, the hypotenuse is already given over here. As you look at the question, 8 cm, and they already give the length 0.9 radian. Okay, we can find this AD length by using this following step. So sine 0.9 is equals to AD over 8. So AD is your opposite and your 8 is your hypotenuse. So to find your length of AD, sine 0.9 you times with the 8. So from here you get your AD is equals to 8 sine 0.9. Remember, guys, when you key in your calculator, make sure that your angle is in a radian form, not in degree form. Okay, and therefore you get your AD is equals to 6.27 cm. Okay, we have already found two lengths over here. We still got one length to the left, which is we need to find the length of the DB over here. Okay, let us proceed to the next step. So please hold on for a moment. So but before that, to find the length of DB, we need to find the length of OD first. So how are we going to find the length of OD? We're going to use the Pythagoras theorem rule over here. Okay, so OD is equals to OA square minus with your AD square, guys. Okay, OA square is your hypotenuse and your AD square is your the length we have found just now. Okay, OD is equals to square root 8 square minus 6.27 square. Okay, you key in the calculator, you should get your answer 4.97 cm. Alright, proceed to the next step. So once you already find the length of OD, So we can now easily find our length dB over here. So how are you going to find the length dB? Okay, I'm going to show you now. So length dB is possible to find by using the length of OB minus with the length of OD over here. Okay, length of OB, which is the radius of the sector. Length of OD we already find here, which is 4.97. So we minus both respectively. 8 minus 4.97, from here you get your length of dB is equals to 3.03 centimeter. Alright, we have already got all the three respective length. So now we can proceed to the last step, which is calculate the perimeter ADB. Okay, so length of the arc AB plus with the length AD plus length DB, which is equals to 7.2 plus 6.27 plus 3.03. Add them all, you should get your answer 16.5 centimeter over here. Okay, alright, we have already solved with the question A, and now we need to solve the question B, which the question requires us to find the area Y, guys. Okay, let me turn back to the question paper. I'm going to explain to you how I'm going to solve the area Y. Okay, so this is the diagram. So first what you're going to do is we're going to find the area of the sector AOB over here. So once you already find the area of the sector AOB here, you minus with the area of the triangle over here to find this area X. So it is possible to find the area X using the segment area formula, guys. So once you already find the area X, so to find the area Y, what you're going to do is you find the triangle area of ADC and then you minus with your area X. So from there you can immediately find your area Y. So that's how we're going to solve for the question B over here. So back to our solution. So for the question B, so the step 1, what you're going to do is we're going to find the length OC. So how to find the length OC? So we're going to use the cos 0.9 is equals to 8 divided by OC. So to find length OC, you divide 8 with cos 0.9. So OC is equals to 8 divided by cos 0.9. From here you get equals to 12.87 centimeter over here. Okay, so proceed to the next step, step 2. So step 2, we need to find the length of the DC over here. So continue. So to find DC actually equals to OC minus with the length OD over here. So OC we have already find here just now, which is 12.87. Length OD we already find in the earlier question, which is 4.97. So you minus them both, you should get your answer 7.9 centimeter. Okay, so once you already get the respective lengths, now we can focus on to calculate the areas, guys. So step 3, calculate the area X. So how are we going to calculate the area X? Like I've mentioned in the previous explanation. So to find area X, we're going to use the area of the sector OAB, and then we're going to minus with the area of the triangle OAD. Okay, which is half times with the R square, which is your radius 8 square, and then times with 0.9, and then minus with the half, and then 4.97, which is your base, and then you times with your height 6.27 over here. So you minus them both. So from here you get 28.8 minus 15.58, and you will get your answer 13.22 centimeter. Okay, once you get your area X, now we will proceed to the last step, which is calculate the area Y. So how are you going to calculate the area Y? Like I've mentioned, so we're going to use the area of the triangle ADC, and we're going to minus with the area of the X. So from there, once we minus, we can easily find our area Y. Okay, so half times with 6.27 times with 7.9, and then you minus with the area of X, which you've already find over here, which is 13.22. So you minus them up, so you should get your answer approximate 11.55 centimeter square. Alright guys, for the answer, you might get slightly different. Maybe you get 11.54 or 53, but if you get that, usually it's because due to the rounding off, guys. But then the answer is still acceptable because your answer is within the range. let's say your answer scheme is 11.55, but your actual answer is 13, and that means something wrong with your working. So you should double check your calculation again. Okay, let me turn back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on. Alright, that is all for my step-by-step working and solution for this question. Any question or feedback, feel free to put in the comment section. And before that, please tell me your feedback. How do you find out this question? Is this question easy or difficult? And could you manage to solve this question? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright everyone, thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.